Listen India, you think gulab jamun is sweet? Then come to Andhra once. Malai Kaja from Nellore. Annavaram Prasadam from Annavaram. Bandar Laddu from Bandar. Potarekulu from Athreyapuram. Madatha Kaja from Tapeswaram. Rose milk from Rajahmundry. Gottam Kaja from Kakinada. Madugala Halwa from Madugala. Tirupati Laddu Prasadam from Tirupati. Bobbatlu from Vijayanagaram. Don't forget to subscribe and comment your favorite sweet. Thank you for watching this video. This is Viswa creating the unreal, making it feel real.